To bring your creations to life and get breathtaking results, one must learn texturing and rendering. If you already gave it a go, you will quickly realize that it is not as simple as it might seem. In this 7-hour packed course, I will take you through an introduction to texturing in Blender for complete beginners and dive in deeper in a journey of real-time tutorials to take you to an advanced level of texturing and rendering in Blender. I will unravel my many texturing and rendering secrets that I acquired during my journey as a character artist. Don't get fooled by the title, the things I will teach you are for all levels from beginners to advanced users. In this video, I will talk about what you get in this course, a summary and a detailed look on the content, including some testimonies from big players in the game, and end the video with some frequently asked questions on this course. This course will teach you the essentials to texturing in Blender, material creation, and advanced techniques to render complex subjects such as skin through step-by-step real-time tutorials. In short, this course contains around 7 hours of real-time step-by-step tutorials separated into 2 main sections with 5 different parts, including all of the scene files, 2 female characters, Vivi and Evie, and 2 custom-made skin alpha textures. Last but not least, there is a planned free tutorial update in the near future, including the new Blender engine Eevee. The first section will be an introduction to texturing in Blender. Part 1 is a 16-part video from setting up your texturing scene, Blender texturing brushes and hotkeys, all of the texturing tools and options that will assist you in creating any type of result, including but not limited to blending options and tools, color palette, image texturing, brush strokes, curve methods, masking methods, texture layers, and more. You will also get the scene files of Vivi that is used for part 1. The second section will be on texturing and rendering the character Evie from start to finish. This is split into parts 2, 3, 4, and 5. This whole section will come with the appropriate scene files that you can use to follow the tutorials, including the blend files of Eevee and 2 custom skin alpha textures that I made, which will be super useful for all of your characters. Part 2 is a 5-part video showing you my workflow on UV unwrapping a character without the hassle of retopology, which will help speed up your process by quite a lot. In part 3, we will start texturing our character. This is a 15-part video where I will show you how to set up your character for texturing. I'll talk about the skin tones, show you how to texture the many different layers for the skin, from the base color to a more refined look, including imperfections, freckles, and more. I'll also take you through creating different maps for the skin, including the bump map, speck map, and subsurface scattering map, which we will later utilize to create the skin material. Furthermore, I will show you some awesome techniques to create cool textures for the rest of the character, including the hair, clothes, and eyes. Part 4 is a 5-part video where I will show you how to create materials in cycles for our character's skin, hair, clothes, and eyes with the help of the textures that we made. This will get us ready for the final rendering. Part 5 is a 3-part video where I will take you through setting up your Blender scene for rendering in cycles. I will also show you some post-production methods in Blender and Photoshop as a bonus alternative way to do your final composition. I already pre-released the course to test it out before making it official and contacted some of the big players in the community to give it a test run and make sure that you guys are getting a quality package. Here are a few testimonies from them. These awesome artists range from YouTubers, instructors, character artists, product creators, and more. What level should you be to follow this course? Even though I titled the course Texturing in Blender for Beginners, it's not only for beginners. So if you've already watched the beginning of this video, as I've explained, the first section is an introduction to texturing in Blender. So that part's for beginners, and even advanced users can learn some things from it. And that part will get you ready for the second section of this course, which is texturing a full character from A to Z in real-time tutorials. So in that section, I share a lot of advanced techniques and secrets and a lot of things that I learned during my years of being a character artist, and I just put the whole thing in one course. So whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced user, you can definitely benefit a lot from this course. Just keep in mind basic navigation in Blender. is required. So if you've never ever used Blender before, just check a video or two on YouTube for beginner stuff in Blender and it will get you ready to go. Is texturing important for your career path, artistic path, or even just your passion? Well, it really depends on what kind of job you're looking for, what kind of path you're going for. There's just a lot of things when it comes to art. But at a point or another, you will want to up your game, and this course will definitely help you out with that. Do you have to follow the sculpting course that I have on my Gumroad before following this one? No, you don't. They're two separate courses. Now, I know it might be confusing because there's the same character on the sculpting course, but that course is about sculpting. This one is about texturing. So if you ever want to learn sculpting, then yes, definitely go follow that course first. I have a video on that course, very similar to this one, explaining in detail what you get on the course with frequently asked questions, and I answer them. So if you want to check it out, I'll add a link in the description below. But otherwise, you can get this course without that one. The techniques that I teach in this course, do they apply to anything other than characters? Yes, definitely. So if you want to texture anything else like buildings, hard surface models, you can learn from this course and apply all of the techniques that I teach, transform it to something else. So we have the first section, which is an introduction to texturing in Blender. There's that. So it teaches all of the basics about that. And then we have the second section where I'll take you through texturing a character from A to Z. And the thing is, it's more focused on skin, and skin is one of the most complicated materials to get right. Once you learn how to do that through this course, you'll find it a lot easier to go and tackle different subjects. Do you need a tablet to follow this course? So on my channel, I talk a lot about tablets and how I think it's really essential for sculpting. In fact, I have a video on tablets, why they're useful, and show you some examples on my channel, so you can check it out if you want more details on that. I don't think it's as essential for texturing as it is for sculpting, so you can definitely follow this course without a tablet. But having a tablet will make your life a lot easier and it will make the process a lot more fun. So if you are ever thinking of investing in a tablet, definitely go for it. You don't have to get anything expensive. Even a cheap tablet will work just fine. Just make sure you check the reviews of that tablet, make sure that it works properly before ordering it, and just get it, just do it. It's definitely worth it. But anyways, even if you don't have a tablet, you can definitely follow this course. Okay, that's it for this video. I don't know if you've been hearing any background noises. There's some construction going on and it's probably gonna go for years, so you'll probably hear that from time to time in the video. But I try to remove it in a program later on after recording. So anyways, if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will answer you over there. If you are interested in getting the course, pretty awesome. You won't regret it. And I'll see you guys real soon. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome character sculpts and art related videos. You can also check out my store for full courses on character sculpting, texturing, materials, brushes, and more. Last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, then you will definitely enjoy the next one.